Education. No one can turn their faces from this reality that education is the basic need for all human beings. In this 21st century, the people are programmed in such a way that we do think that education is only left an option through which we can build our career. Thus, we do not study to study, but we study to just make our career and also to be educationist. But it's not indeed fact. Education isn't merely an option through which we can build our career. There are plentiful options through which a person can elevate the foundation of his career. MS Dhoni, he is a person in no need of introduction today. He indeed didn't study forcefully, rather he focused in his passion and followed it. Mark Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates and Cristiano Ronaldo, who is a school teacher, kept on telling him that there isn't left anything in football, focus on his study, but today he is not known for his education, but for his talent and his skills. They all are college dropouts, but even they built their career far better than any educationist. Thus, I say that education is important, but not only education is important.